Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be sharing my vegan pumpkin pie recipe. So we will start off with 2 cups of fresh pumpkin puree. And to that we will add 3/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 3/4 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons of pumpkin spice, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now you want to mix this until well combined. Mix, mix, mix. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 cup of vegan sweetened condensed milk, and you want to mix this until well combined. Now pour the mixture in your homemade pie crust. And smooth everything out, just like that. Now you want to bake this into a 325-degree Fahrenheit oven for at least 50 to 60 minutes. Now this is what the pie looks like coming right out of the oven, but you want to let this cool for at least 3 hours before you refrigerate it. Okay, so once it's been cooled, you want to put this in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours or overnight, and this is what it looks like when you take it out. And you get this silky, sweet, delicious vegan pumpkin pie. You won't even know this was vegan, guys. It was so good. So I definitely recommend trying this recipe. If you did, please comment in the section there below and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys.